If you just accidentally deleted your photos or formatted your SD card, STOP. Don't take any more pictures and don't panic. Your files aren't actually gone yet, and you can get them back right now for absolutely $0. Skip those scammy apps that charge you just to download your own data. Instead, go download a completely free tool called RPhoto. It is 100% free for personal use and recovers uncompressed RAW files, JPGs, and videos. Just plug in your card, open RPhoto, and select your drive. Hit Deep Scan. You can preview, click the files you want, and hit Recover. But here is the golden rule. Never save the recovered photos back onto that same SD card during the process, or you'll overwrite them. Save them to your desktop instead. Save this video for the next time you lose your data, and hit that follow button for more tech tips. Here is the actual installation and how to use RPhoto recovery software.